All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Solana family. Appreciate you guys as always for sticking around and showing so much love. But let's get right into today's topic. If we're looking at the overall markets, especially as we are going into Friday morning, the market is looking absolutely amazing. After seeing a little bit of a minor pullback, retesting down to $64,000. Market is picking up once again, and a lot of altcoins are feeling the love. But tomorrow is going to be very interesting to see how Bitcoin closes its day. If Bitcoin is able to break out of the key resistance that we're about to face, I really do believe that, we could see some great time ahead for the entire crypto space. But anyhow, looking at Solana, it's up about 4.2% in USD. Comparative, the price is back above at $176.70. In Bitcoin comparative, you're looking at a little bit of a retracement, about 0.6%, nothing too major. Market valuation back above $80 billion to be exact, $82.4 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume is at about $4.3 billion. So looking great, but before I go into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So I'm going to start off with this right here. So SEC Commissioner Hester Pierce comments on the Solana ETF application. I strongly encourage you guys to watch this video. Go on Solana Floor on X and you will be able to see it. Obviously she did not comment anything specific, but in a way, it does kind of hint that, hey, we did see other ETPs that got approved, as well as Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF. And she does mention about, we need to look at what is a security and what is not a security, especially when it comes to the crypto industry. But remember, guys, Solana is exactly like Ethereum in terms of the native token itself. It's not a security. This is a native token for the blockchain of Solana. And again, this is a brand new tech. Obviously, the traditional market, they're not used to this, but you're starting to see them really start turning things around, because the demand is just too high. The demand for these products are insanely high, and if Ethereum can get approved, I don't see why other coins that are layer ones, why they cannot get approved. So very, very interesting from that point of view. Let me know in your in the comments down below what you guys personally think. But anyhow, let's take a look at what's happening with the overall market. So Solana DeFi apps. So MarginFi, a Dumpy Top Fund, and DeFi Tuna rush to introduce leveraged meme trading while shorting coins and the meta. And that is a very interesting conversation. And again, this is going to be a very, very interesting one. These guys are coming in big, and I literally spoke to you guys about this yesterday. I said, we haven't really seen that happen before. Now that, you have the option to, long or short any of these meme coins, 99.9 of these go to zero. So it's going to be really interesting to see how things play out, but a lot of people are excited about this. I know, the degens love these type of things, but I would strongly encourage you guys to stay away from leverage trading. At the end of the day, it is leverage trading, but at the end of the day, you guys do what works for you. But it's going to be very interesting. It says, will shorting coins and the meta? It potentially could. But I would love to know your take on this, because this is going to be a very interesting take, and it's not going to end here. I think this is going to be something a lot of people are going to be talking about. Well, moving forward, you can see Solana-based DeFi protocol Drift introduces the grants program to enhance Drift's ecosystem and community. And this was a good one right here. Solana leading LST protocol JitoSol introduces Jito restaking, a hybrid staking, restaking, and LRT module. Really, really good one here, and I think this is bringing in a lot of excitement for Jito itself. And you can see this for yourself, guys. MarginFi introduces the Arena, margin swap, allowing users to long short any token on Solana with leverage. This is insane. And I think this alone, as far as Solana DeFi and ecosystem goes, I think this is going to bring in more money than you can imagine. Because imagine how many people probably are thinking that, hey, we could be making a lot of money shorting a lot of these rugged coins. But at the same time now, it's going to be really interesting to see whether or not you do see a lot of meme coins popping off, because a lot of people are going to be shorting. So again, only time is going to tell, but we're going to see what really happens, because this is very, very interesting to say the least. But let me know your personal projections regarding this. anyhow, if you have not followed me on Twitter, guys, what are you waiting for? Crypto__ZX. Follow me, and let's get the engagement going on there. But anyhow, let's take a look at what's happening with the crypto market as far as the price of Solana is concerned. So you are seeing dominance picking up quite substantially, and we're looking at about a 56.36% dominance. Again, at the same time, BTC also has seen a little bit of move towards the upside. Bitcoin is having a hard time. Let's face it, Bitcoin is having a little bit of a hard time breaking out of this key resistance. And again, that is not a small key resistance. I've spoken to you guys about this before. And if you look at it, actually, hold on. Let me give you guys a better visual to really make you understand what we're looking at. So see this for yourself. The price of Solana is literally back above that key resistance right now, but it's really, really hard for the price of Solana, I'm sorry, did I say Solana? I mean the price of Bitcoin to stay above this key resistance. Really understand it from this point of view. I want you guys to understand, last time we were actually back above this key resistance for BTC was back on May 18th, and obviously that ended back in June. We did obviously break out of this key resistance just last week, which was really, really exciting, but Bitcoin needs to close its daily candle above this key resistance. If we're able to see a close above here, I think we could be even seeing all-time highs for Bitcoin in the very short term. But now if you're focusing on Solana, on the other hand, Solana is currently at $177.33. It is looking absolutely amazing. Sol also wants to break towards the upside right now. Solana is looking more than ready, and now you're seeing so much good stuff happening for its ecosystem. I think it's just a matter of time, where we do finally see that push. And when you see that push, guys, you will see firsthand, mark my words, you're gonna see so much more attention to Solana. All the comments are gonna be like, Moon Boys coming in, yeah guys, let's go Solana all-time high, sold this, sold that. And as of now, believe it or not, you're not seeing that much interest right now. Only the people that actually believe in it. And if you don't believe in Solana, that's totally fine. It's up to you, right? And nothing personal. At the end of the day, everyone has their own opinion. But what you're looking at Sol doing right now is, again, facing that key resistance, exactly one that we spoke about last time. If it's able to break out of this key resistance, guys, off we go back to the $186 price point quite fast. And if you want to put that into perspective, that's only a move of about 7.6%. So could we see a new monthly high? Potentially, yes. We still have a few days left till the month comes to an end, but we are looking great as far as the setup is concerned. But let me know down below what you guys personally think. Love each and every one of you guys. You guys are absolutely killing it with all the support and love you guys show me. And of course, let me know what excites you the most about Solana, and what are your personal projections, not just this bull cycle, long term as well. In the next 5 years, what are your personal projections for? So love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. It's been CryptoZX, and peace out.